Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You see, I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by HURELAHAIR. Shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So I don't actually have the link to the wig, but I do have the details that they sent me. So honey, that's all I'm gonna be able to talk about, okay girl? Okay, so this wig is a jerry curly texture. It is a 13 by 4. It says frontal highlight wig. I do have it in 24 inches, and they don't have the density on here, but it's pretty full. But with jerry curly hair, it can be full and still be 150% density. It feels like 180, but it could be 150. I'm not 100% sure. Hopefully I will have those specs and stuff down below, and I know I will have a direct link to it, so that way you guys can figure out like and know exactly the density. Right now, girl, I just don't know. Okay, I just don't know it. Now with this wig, I do want to go ahead and mention that I did bleach the knots. I have a very standard easy way of bleaching. I have shown in videos in the past how I bleach my knots, but I'm just on that kick. So a lot of my wigs, I do bleach the knots. If the knots are pretty thick or pretty dense, I will bleach the knots. Sometimes I don't have to, but with this one, I felt like it could use a little bleaching. The knots weren't terrible. So if you don't want to bleach, girl, that ain't your sweat. You ain't necessarily got to do it. It's just what I'm into right now. So I did bleach the knots, but I did not tweeze this wig whatsoever. Like this hairline, girl. This hairline, girl, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this, with flawless.
Okay, I did not have to touch this hairline whatsoever as far as tweezing it. And as far as shedding and tangling with this particular wig, in my opinion, well, I haven't noticed any shedding. I think at some point it will. Most of my curly wigs do shed at some point, but straight out of the packaging, this one did none of the things, girl. So I do want to throw that out there as well. As far as tangles, now I did not run my fingers through this hair So I did a little bit and I didn't receive any tangles, but I'm pretty sure if I were to brush it out, I would hit some snags, because that is just pretty much how that goes with curlier textures. I just didn't want to do that with this unit. I love the curl pattern straight out of the packaging, so I didn't necessarily want to do that, but I would expect some tangles, but not a whole lot. Just judging from how, when I ran my fingers through it a little bit, I didn't get any tangles, so I don't really expect it to tangle. Now, this unit does come with a pre-attached elastic band. I did utilize it because it is more so on the big head friendly side than not, but with that adjustable band, if you do have a smaller head, I think you could still make this unit work, in my opinion. You're just gonna have to cut off a little more lace. So that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is going to be, say it with me, people, it's a 13x4. And I did decide to do a middle part, and I was able to kind of cover up that track, but that track is right there. So, you know that I don't know what's going on in the lace world. I used to get 13x6, 13x6, 13x6. Now it seems like I mostly, after the pandemic, I mostly only get 13x4. So, I know y'all are tired of me saying that over and over again, but if I can't find a con, that one is gonna do it. Okay, so that is my con. Okay, so my pros with this unit is, first of all, the color is amazing. I love the color. I also love this texture, and I kind of feel like also with this color is giving me fall vibes. Like, I feel like this is still a pretty nice fall color. This is actually the kind of color that I prefer to wear year round. Like, I like it in the fall as well, but honey, I also pull off a hot girl summer in this color as well. So those are, oh, and I love that it came pre-tweezed, like, girl, always. So those are my pros with this wig. I would recommend this unit purely on the same reasons for my cons, that it's pre-tweezed, the texture, the curls, all of that. Plus, I feel like these sort of units are more so on the beginner friendly side than not. So yes, I would recommend this wig. Alright girl, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Where it comes to me, keep in mind I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit down below. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style.